So this Auto Expo is all about electric two-wheelers, and this one, Bird Electric, has unveiled this a prototype. It's called the ES1 Plus. What we know is that it's not production ready yet, but it's based on the Chinese brand Super Soco, and it's a small electric scooter. Let's say it's got about a curb weight of 62 kilograms and 50 to 55 kilometer range on a single charge. Top speed is about 35 kilometers per hour, and it will take a charging time of about 7 to 8 hours for a full charge. So that's the ES1 Plus from Bird Electric. It's still a prototype. It's going to take a couple of years at least to hit the market in production form.